myself JVN Gaurav. Uh, uh, I am working as a lecturer in Jayoti Vidyapit Women's University. The program name is BCRT 6 SEM. Subject is Hospital Administration in Radiotherapy. Today we are going to discuss on the session Cobalt 60. Cobalt 60. Let me discuss Cobalt 60. To overcome the limitation of kilovoltage machines, radionuclide Cobalt 60 have been used as a source of gamma rays. It is a suitable isotope available today. The Cobalt 60 has a half-life of 5.3 years and emits gamma rays of 1.17 and 1.33 MeV mega electron volt energy, which has the same penetration power as a 3 MB X-ray beam. So it means to overcome the limitation, the latest high voltage therapy machines are used in radiotherapy, which is based on the Cobalt 60 source. A typical Cobalt machine consists of stand, gantry, source head, beam stopper, couch, control console. All radioisotope therapy machines consist of lead-filled steel container head. The radioactive source of strength of several kilocalorie is kept at the center of the lead-filled steel container. The source can be moved by means of an electric motor so that it comes opposite to an opening in the container through which the gamma rays emerge to form the treatment beam. At the end treatment, source is moved back into its original position. The Cobalt 60 is the most suitable machine for the external therapy because it has higher specific activity 200 curie per gram, greater radiation output per curie, and higher average photon energy 1.25 MeV. The stand is the base of the unit and it is fixed into the floor. In the floor, it has all the electrical and electronic circuits. It has also provide a circular scale to indicate the position of the gantry during rotation. The gantry is attached to a stand and is capable of rotating through 360 degree. The gantry has two arms. One arm has the source edge and the other arm has the beam stopper. In some models, beam stopper is not provided. The beam stopper acts as a counterweight and also absorb exit radiation or scatter radiation. The source head has the source shutter and the collimator. A Cobalt 60 source is a cylinder of 1 to 2 diameter and it is positioned with it circular and facing the patient. Okay, got it? The source is placed in a stainless steel container and sealed by the belting. The source is surrounded by a sufficient thickness of lead for shielding purpose. The shielding must ensure that the leakage radiation at 1 meter from the center of the source must be less than 2 milliroentgen per hour. When the Cobalt 60 source decays to nickel 60 with the emission of beta particle and 2 photon of energies 1.17 and 1.33 MeV, these gamma rays constitute the useful treatment beam. There are 4 types of shutter mechanism: rotating wheel, sliding drawer, mercury shutter, and moving jaw. The collimator is used to control the size and shape of the beam and direct the useful beam to the patient. Thank you. The class is over. Thank you.